In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to transfer the work order from TireShop into AutoTextMe. Here we've moved our vehicle to the waiting on technician status, and now would be a good time to generate the work order rather than printing it out. We're going to put it on the technician's tablet. So let's go into TireShop, find the work order, and this is just a basic transmission drain and fill on this ticket. This is the one we're going to transfer. We hit the TS Inspect button, and we're going to hit Create Work Order. When the work order is successfully sent, you'll see a message. Now we can navigate back to AutoTextMe, and we'll refresh our page. Here you can see the work order has generated successfully, and the technician will be able to click on it and see any labor and any parts that were included on that work order. Now let's say additional work was added to that ticket. We would go back into TireShop and add something like a wheel alignment. So we'll go ahead and add that. And with this all assigned, we'll go and regenerate that work order for the technician. Go to TS Inspect with the vehicle selected and update the work order. You'll see the same message when it's been successful, and we'll navigate back into AutoTextMe, open the work order, and you'll see the alignment is here now as well.